up, everybody? Happy Monday. Look, I've been getting a lot of requests on insurance and policies and things. So, boop, this is for your insurance. Let's do that in black. Insurance. So here's the deal. When you're talking about an insurance from a lending perspective, there's a couple things that are super important and a lot of big myths. So, first and foremost, let's talk about amount of coverage. RCE. Replacement, that's a long word, cost estimator. You should 100% have this for every insurance policy. What does it mean? It means that there is a value given by the insurance company for the replacement of the actual item, the car, the dwelling. We're focusing on mortgages here, so the dwelling. So for example, if your insurance company says it's going to cost $1 million to rebuild your property, then as a lender in California, we can only ask for $1 million in coverage. That's why it's so important. So it's not that we can dictate, oh, well, the appraiser said this, oh, this said that. No, it's what your insurance company dictates. However, we can dictate the deductible. And the amount of your deductible will depend on the type of loan you're doing, your loan to value. But typically, you're going to have a not so high a deductible. It's going to typically be somewhere in the middle or a little bit lower because they want to be sure that the insurance is going to cover it, that you as a consumer, as a borrower, as a homeowner are not financially as impacted if something drastic happens. The other thing that they can do is the rating. This has to be a well-rated company. That's typically an A or B rating. So if you have an insurance company that is poorly rated, right, like they're not paying claims, they're not real-doing things, you may not be able to go with them. So the two things to super pay attention to from a lending perspective that we have to approve is the rating of the company and the deductible. It is not the level of coverage. That is one of the biggest myths we get. Let me know what I can do to help you or anyone else. Let's play it safe. Let's play it real. Let's go get it done. It's Austin at Origin Point. Make it a great day.